Positive Energy Solutions, we help businesses take control of rising energy costs with intelligent commercial solar panel systems. Whether you run a warehouse, office, farm, school, retail site or industrial unit, your roof space could be turned into a valuable energy generating asset. Every system we design is tailored around your building, your electricity usage and your long-term goals. We look at how your business uses power throughout the day, then create a solar solution that helps reduce reliance on the grid and improve energy efficiency. With over 10 years of experience in the solar and renewable energy sector, we provide a personal professional service from initial survey through to installation. Positive Energy Solutions, bright ideas for saving energy and money for your business.